Divya here. Welcome to the new episode of Phoenix Wave. And like my other vlogs, in this vlog I am not going to explain anything. I will just tell you a story and I think the story itself is self-explanatory. Once there was a child who had a very bad temper. He used to say mean things in anger to his best friends and his little brother. One day, he had a very bad fight with his best friend at school. As usual, the child said all the bad words to his best friend in anger. The same day, after reaching home, he felt bad and guilty for what he said in anger. Seeing the sad face of his son, his father asked him about the reason for his sadness. Hearing the reason, his father gave him a bag full of iron nails, a hammer, and a wooden board, and told the child that every time he lost his temper, he must hammer an iron nail into the wooden board. Child quickly became ready to do what his father said. He was sincerely wishing to escape from his bad temper. Next day, in the evening, his father called the child and asked him about how his day was. The child replied, "Dad, I got angry at lots of people today, and that's why I hammered 37 iron nails into the wooden board." His father didn't scold at the child. He just smiled, looking at his son's face. Though the child became ready to do what his father said, he was feeling it really difficult to hammer the iron nails into the wooden board using his small tender hands. He discovered it was easier to hold his temper than to hammer those iron nails into the wooden board. Over the next few weeks, as he learned to control his anger, the iron nails he hammered every day gradually came down. And finally, the day came when the child didn't lose his temper at all. He happily shared this thing with his father, and his father suggested that the boy now pull out one iron nail for each day that he was able to hold his temper. The days passed, and finally the boy was able to tell his father that all the iron nails were gone now. His father then asked him that, "Child, just bring that wooden board which I gave you. I want to check it." Child gave the wooden board to his father. After checking the wooden board, his father told him that, "My son, I don't want this wooden board. I want that original beautiful wooden board which I gave you. Where is it?" Child was shocked. After hearing this unexpected demand from his father, he said, "I'm really sorry, Dad. I can't give you back that original wooden board. I don't have it now." His father gently smiled at him and said, "My son, you have done really well. But look at your wooden board now. This wooden board is full of holes now. When you say things in anger, they leave a scar just like this in the minds of others. A verbal wound is as harmful as a physical one." After hearing this, the child started crying and he said to his father, "Dad, now I realize the depth of the mistake I was doing in anger. I will never say bad words to anyone in anger." His father became so happy to hear this from his only son, and he realized that his son got the realization that most people are having at a very later stage in their lives. Father happily hugged his son